This is Amazon's #1 selling little saw. I've got a little saker I want to show you. I've had several people asking about mini chainsaws. This is the #1 selling saw on Amazon right now. This is a little 4-inch. They sell a 6-inch, and they also sell an 8-inch. This right now, if you look in my affiliate links, you can get this for about 30 bucks. And if you want to get the 6-inch with the case and 2 batteries, you can get it for less than $60 as well. So I'll put those links down below. But let's take a look at this thing real quick. This uses 2 20-volt batteries. With this one, you get the case, which is pretty cool. You got a couple extra batteries. You've got some oil. Now let's take a look at this oil real quick. This is all this is cooking oil. And you simply just take it and you put it down around the bar, just like this. Ever so often, you gotta oil it. And then you got a little spot down in here. You can put a little oil right there on the sprocket. And then you just take it and run it around, and oil will come around and oil your chain. But we get 2 20-volt batteries. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to charge each one of them up. But you can see it's got the 3 little lights on it. Works great. You know, one thing about this saw, it allows you to use one hand while you hold your workpiece steady, and you got your saw a safe distance, and then you can just let the saw do the work. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on this, friends. I can tell you can stall it out pretty easy. But if you just let this thing turn, go through the wood, it works pretty good. Hey, what do you say we go use this saw? So you can see it cuts through pretty quick. This 4-inch bar does really about 3.5 inches. You know, you really can't beat this little saker, little limb cutting up saw, just whatever you got. So if you live in town, this is perfect. You can just cut little branches up that may have fallen in your yard. It's not loud, it's not a 2-stroke engine. You don't have all the noise, the smoke, and the smell, and your neighbor's wondering what you're doing. It's 20-volt max. You can see the battery on the back is still full, and I have used it quite a bit, as you've seen in the video. I can't tell you, I probably have cut close to 100 rounds right now. I still have full bar. It came with 2 batteries, a case, this little deal of oil. And while we're at it, let me go ahead and show you. You need to go ahead and put a little bit of this on there. And what this is just cooking oil. You can put it back here on the sprocket, let it run down. I generally just drizzle a little bit around the sprocket here, put a little bit down here, and then I'm going to run it. And I generally just keep this in my pocket, because after every 10, 15, 20 cuts, you've got to oil. You've got to oil your chain and oil your bar as far as that goes. You can see it has a little safety, so you hit with your thumb. Then your trigger will not pull. This is a good little saw. You know, it's really hard to beat these little old saws like this. They're reasonably priced, easy to use. Anybody can use them. They do have their safety features on them, like the thumb trigger. You have to push in the button and then pull the trigger, so you can't get your fingers in the way. They got a guard here. You just got to make sure you keep your chain tight. You know, I've probably cut close to 100 rounds off and on today with this thing and cut up these limbs, as you can see here. And I'm gonna leave a link down here in this video where you can pick this saw up and save you a little bit of money. But this little Saker also comes in a 6-inch saw. This is a little 4-inch right here. Probably going to cut about 3.5-inch branches, as you saw. We're going to be giving a lot more giveaways. Don't forget the hatchet this month. We gave a chainsaw away last month. That was a big hit. We're going to be giving away a lot more stuff. Again, we got the hatchet for this month. I've had a lot of vendors reach out to me and ask me if I would do a review on their chainsaws. Pro Yama has reached out to me. I'm going to be doing a top handle chainsaw here before long once they get it to me. Be on the lookout for that. I hear that's a really great saw, and you know me. I'm going to give you my professional opinion. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this out with your friends. And if you don't mind, hit that hype button. It goes a long ways for us to bring content to you out there. So they work great for gardening, for a little bit of tree damage you may have. Try this a little bit bigger one here. Yo, it's not bad at all, friends. Just remember to say, count me in, and I will ship it straight to your door when we draw for it in July. So you can see it cuts through pretty quick. Hey friends, I appreciate you watching. And remember, love God and love your neighbor. Okay, release our brake. Okay. We've got a hatchet that you've seen on the last video. Just like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, count me in, and you'll be put into that drawing for that hatchet. And I will be sending it to you on my nickel later on in July. So, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment that says count me in, and I will add you into the drawing.